that a nephew or little brother?
I'm just babysitting for a friend.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, does anyone have their quiz open?
Yeah, I have it open.
Almost.
Okay.
Okay.
So, which of the following variables are categorical? So, the number of animals in a local zoo, a randomly selected band of toothpaste, and age of years in randomly selected vehicles in a parking lot.
The brand of toothpaste.
Would the age also be one? Or would that
I feel like it's a number.
Because it is a number, but it's not like it's something
It's
you
also
count.
talking about the vehicle.
Yeah, because it's not like the number of animals where you could divide the number of animals. You can't really divide the year. But that one could be 50-50.
Okay. Age in years of randomly selected. Okay, I think, well, randomly selected brand. Age in years of randomly selected vehicles.
Yeah,
I don't know.
It could go either way.
Well, it's not a measured thing, so.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking it's both of those.
Okay, I'm good with that.
Okay.
Okay. The mean test score for the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected students took a test. The mean score was 112. What of the following statements are true? So parameter is when it's talking about the whole community or like the whole population.
Yeah.
Statistic is just part of it. So that would mean 100 is the parameter, and then 112 is the statistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay. So they have 4 district neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood is very low property value and another has extremely high property value. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' response to the proposed increase in the property taxes? What do you guys think?
Probably just a simple random one.
Okay. Monica, do you have a guess that you think?
I wasn't fully sure on this one, so.
I put stratified sample just because
Yeah.
there's different neighborhoods, so that's different categories. But then you would take a simple or random sample from each little section. So you'd get everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that makes more sense.
I was thinking that or systematic.
Yes. Yeah, these ones are weird because you could really do either one. Like,
Yeah.
the only one you wouldn't really do is cluster, just because.
Yeah. That's true.
So, okay. So when designing an experiment you conducted in a public school system, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected classes. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented?
I would say
I said,
stratified because they randomly select in the end.
but don't they, I guess, choose 4th grade students? They choose one single group instead of all the groups.
Yeah.
So isn't that, because the difference between stratified and cluster is they both use groups, but one does like a random sample from all the different groups in a certain thing. A cluster, it just takes one group and then basically does their stratified.
Okay.
I think
So-
since it's talking about the whole school and they're only using 4th grade students, then it's kind of choosing one group.
Okay. That makes sense.
So cluster because it's just one group and not, that's why it's not stratified,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So the difference is they both have the same, like, they split them up into groups, but cluster only uses one of those groups.
Okay.
Okay. So at a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. What was the sampling?
That's
Yeah, that would be simple because it's
Yeah.
completely random.
6 neighbors. Oh yeah, yeah.
Does everyone agree on that?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took a list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people, and then they did the same for Republicans. So, what do you guys think that would be?
Just random selection.
So a simple random, it doesn't really split up into groups. It's just a whole population, and then they take, say, 60% of them or whatnot.
So systematic
So
just or stratified just because it's groups.
yeah, I would say because they're groups and they use both groups. And wait, systematic
Yeah,
is when
stratified.
you do like every 9th person. Isn't that systematic? Okay.
So stratified is the two group or the groups, and then you pick.
Yeah, you do a sample in each one. Okay. So using the Crossroads purchases, answer these questions. What does the calculated mean?
I got my film. It's just like people out here aren't very nice to each other. aren't there?
They're not.
Out here?
No, but
Oh.
east. Down in the south.
So, does anyone have that thing open?
Yeah.
Or did you get an answer? I guess.
I got 4.771.
So,
4.771.
I'm still trying to open it.
I think that's what I got. I think I just put a 2 in front of it. So I got the 0.771.
so
Okay, so I guess if it doesn't open, it doesn't really matter because there's only 3 questions on this.
When I first came here, and, I thought, yeah,
didn't I do the orientation? Didn't you? I couldn't remember the meeting. Okay, anyways.
This is the first time I met you. Was when I had my first class.
Maybe it was in the past.
But now I'm paying for that.
But that's
freshman
one
year
thing that we're
mistake,
trying
yeah.
to.
Where should we put it?
So did you get it open?
Um,
And I don't get that where.
opened a blank page.
Okay, let's just answer the questions. So kind of got limited time to do
Okay.
these. So we both got 4.771.
Okay.
And then, so what was the standard deviation? I got 0.207. So you got?
No.
No?
No.
What you get?
I got 1.912. Which is weird.
There. So when you open the thing, did you do the analyze, or yeah, and then do the data thing, or how did you do it?
I went to analyze, and then I went to descriptive statistics, and then I did descriptives, but then I was thinking, I don't think that's the one you do it under.
Yeah, I think I did it under export, just because the qplot one wasn't working.
Okay. Yeah, that's the one you
But-
do it under. Okay, hold on. Okay, the mean is the same. Standard deviation, no, I got the same. It's 1.911. Well, 12.
Okay. Let me see. So, wait, what was it?
1.912.
912. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, now create a histogram using the details, which we have done, or I've done.
Yeah, I've done.
Yeah, so that's true. Okay. We're gonna use this data table to answer the questions. So the value of A would just be the mean, which was mean. So you would find the mean and then find the standard deviation.
Yeah.
So what did you get?
I got negative 0.165.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I got
as
the
well.
same thing.
Now for the B value, what you guys get?
0.681.
Yeah, that's what I got. You just square your answer from the front. Okay, number 13. So what is what quantity is equal to the sum of numbers in the square deviation column? Should that be variance?
That's what I was thinking.
Square deviations. Yeah, that's gotta be variance.
Because I don't know if the
Yeah.
variance is just one or if it's like the sum total. So okay. So what is the standard deviation of all these temperatures? I got
What did you guys get?
0.715.
I got 0, but I think I just calculated it wrong.
Yeah, just because I think
I got
to find the same.
0.715.
Yeah, because I think you're supposed to add all of the different ones up.
Yeah. So 0.17715.
Or 0.715. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now, under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative. Well, yes, that's true.
True.
Because we got a negative answer like 4 problems ago.
Yeah.
Standard deviation. It's just if it's below the median, it's negative.
Yep.
Okay. Now, what is this? Okay, so using this table, which location resulted in the most consistent temperature measurement from one seal to another? So
Is that
is
extra
that when
dural?
standard deviation is the smallest?
Yeah, I think so. This would be the extra dural.
That's what I put.
Okay. That's the only thing I could think of. I don't know if the size really takes a part in it. Okay. So use this graph. What is the third quartile? Q3?
8. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what percentage lies between 4 and 8? I put 50 because if it's the 25 percentile and the 75, that's, I think, 50%.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Okay, so using all this information, estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration. I put 2.055.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Just because
Me too.
take the middle point of both of those.
Yeah.
Okay, now the standard deviation. I put 0.233.
Wait, what did you get?
0.233.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I got.
Now, what two measurements is approximately 60% or 68% of the data? So that's just one standard deviation away. And that would be the 1.83 or 231.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So now, using this data, what is the probability that randomly selected students will serve or will score above 542.3? Wait, so with this one, since it is the median, wouldn't it just be 50%?
That's what I thought.
Because I don't know how you would solve it otherwise, just because you get a 0 on top, because you can't like.
Yeah, you can't.
So I would just assume since it's in the middle, 50% would be, because it is normally distributed. I
Yeah.
think.
So do we just put 50?
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know if you do 0.50 or
It was saying earlier that,
that was like percentage.
but that's true.
This is probably
Yeah, I would do 0.50.
okay. What is the probability that the student will be above 60 or 600?
Score below 600.
Or below
Oh,
600?
below. My bad. You guys getting an answer for that one? I got Jan answer.
Hold on. Yeah.
I got 0.68.
Yeah, that's what I got.
4. Okay. So now, what will probability scores above? So you just minus 1 from that top answer.
Okay.
So 0.316.
Yeah. Because both of those should equal 1.
0.316. I got 3.19.
Well, what did you get for the previous answer?
Okay, hold on.
I got 0.316 again.
I didn't.
Yeah. So,
What did
what are you doing in your calculation,
me or Monica?
Monica?
I just minused the last answer with 1, so 1 minus 0.681.
Oh, because we got 0.684 for the other one. Yeah, we got 0.684.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I got 0.68. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just needed to round differently.
Okay. Now, find the GMAT score corresponding to the 10th percentile.
We'll just stay in our one.
I really don't know for sure how to do that one.
So with that one, how I think it would be done so you have the 10th percentile. So you're saying that 10% of the scores are below, or you scored higher than 10% of these.
Mm-hmm.
So you would highlight the bottom, the far left little area, put in your
Okay.
area 0.1, so that's your 10%. And then that should give you a z-score.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put the z-score equals the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. And then you solve for x. And I got 388.
So the value is x minus the mean.
Which is like 542.3, something like that.
Yeah.
And the standard deviation is 120.54.
Okay, so 387.7.
Yeah, and then you round the nearest whole number.
Okay. So just 388.
Yeah.
And then you do the same thing for this next problem, but for the 90th percentile, which makes it just positive, your z-score.
Oh, okay. So 697.
Yeah. Okay, what is the first quartile? Q1. So Q1 is 25%. So you just change the percent to 0.25 and then highlight the left. Do the same thing.
To get your z-score, and then you do the same thing.
Yeah. You should get 534.
Yearbook.
So you highlight or you change
To the far left.
the far left because you put in 0.25 and you highlight the far left,
Yeah.
which gives you negative 0.674.
I'm not exactly sure. I did it
Yeah,
a little bit ago.
you get negative 674.
Yeah,
And then you do the same thing, plug it into your thing,
and then
right?
solve for x.
Because I got 461. But
When
But
you
I
get an
probably-
answer?
Well, I got the same.
You totally see it. I'm used to people cursing.
What? What you get?
For the z-score, I got negative 6.674. And then
So what did you highlight or did you put in the top?
Oh, on the area for the normal probability output,
Yeah.
I put 0.25 and I highlighted the left side.
And then when
So
you solve that, what you get?
I got the same as JC.
You did? Let me, I guess, redo it. Make sure I didn't do it wrong.
Okay, let's see.
2, 5, 6, 7. Where's my calculator? 0.67 times 120.54. And then plus 52.3. Okay. So you guys got 623?
we got 461 for 27 and 623 for 28. Or 624 actually.
Yeah. Wait, would it be 624? Because it wouldn't round.
I got 623.5. Does it not round?
Well, I guess so. Was the standard deviation point or 120.54 or was it 45?
It's
120 by 4.
120.54.
So we got for 27, 461.
Yeah.
Okay. And 28.
So what's the mean? Is it 542.3?
542.3, yeah.
Okay, so 461. Mm. 6, 2, 4. Not 3. Okay. Now, crap, I accidentally deleted what I got for number 26. What you guys get for the 90th percentile?
697.
Yeah.
Okay, and then 4, 6, 2. Third was. There we go. Okay, now 29. So when sample is 15, what is the mean? Should be the same as the previous one, right? So
Yeah.
2.3
Yep.
2.3?
or point
It's the
or
same.
542.3.
Oh, shh. What was that?
542.3. So it should be the same as the mean for the ones that we were just doing.
Yeah. Okay.
And then standard deviation would just be the Or what you guys get?
Well, is it the one where you have to divide by the square root
Yeah.
Yeah.
of 15?
Mm-hmm.
So I got 31.123.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You guys 32. Point what?
Is 31.123.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the probability that it'll be greater than 600.
Um,
I think I got 0.032.
Greater than. 0.01. I mean 0.0319.
Yeah, that's what I got.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So 0.032, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I
We
gotta
missed
go.
one. We missed number 15. The standard deviation can never be negative.
Oh. Well,
Wait, what you guys put
Okay.
for 13?
13. Oh, we missed that one too. We all
we
put
missed 19.
Yeah, so
So I think 13 is none of them is correct.
yeah. And what other ones did we miss? Just those two?
We missed 19, unless I just put it in wrong.
Okay, let's look.
19 was I got it right for 2.055.
Yeah, I
I
got
just
it
didn't
right.
put a 0 in there.
Oh,
Whoops.
Okay, and then variation.
I think those are the only two.
And then for question 9, you guys it was what was it? You guys got right.
It was
9.
1.912.
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. Yeah. So I think and then those were the
Yeah, I think those were the only ones.
and then we got 0.6 or like 67% of it on number 2. So maybe the
So it's not the age one.
I guess not.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably not.
Okay.
Okay.
So then okay, so I'm gonna stop because I gotta head to class.
Yeah,
Me
you gotta
too.
get to class.
You
Okay.
guys can retake it if you want or do whatever you want.
Okay, sweet.
So yeah.
See ya.
Well, see ya.